If you're looking for a gaming PC that can actually run the latest titles without driving up debt, this list is for you. The best budget gaming PCs aren't just cheap, they deliver solid performance, upgrade potential, and enough power to keep you in the game. Whether you're streaming, grinding ranked matches, or just unwinding with some single player, these machines have you covered. However, the market is full of options, and it's easy to become overwhelmed by specs that may not deliver. So we've done the digging and narrowed it down to the 5 best budget gaming PCs you can grab right now, each one offering the sweet spot between price, power, and playability. Each rig brings something different to the table, so keep watching to find the one that fits how and what you play. Okay, we're jumping in. First up, we have the HP Omen 25L. This one isn't the cheapest option on this list, but it's still a total steal for its price point. It's running a Ryzen 7 3700X paired with a GTX 1660. Yes, that's an older card. No, you're not going to crank ray tracing or frame chase your way through Cyberpunk at 4K. In 1080p with high settings, it holds a steady 60+ frames per second in most modern games, including big hitters like Warhammer 3. That's the kind of steady-handed performance that makes this a great option for first-time buyers or folks who just want something that works without a million tweaks. And when the so-called budget gaming world is flooded with flashy specs and flaky builds, that kind of consistency is worth a lot more than it sounds. As for the little things, it's all there. 32 gigabytes of RAM is more than generous at this price. A full 1 terabyte SSD keeps load times snappy and gives you breathing room for your Steam library. The port selection is fine, nothing to brag about, but enough to get your setup plugged in and running. And the bundled mouse and keyboard are more than enough to get you through your games. And then there's the chassis. It looks like a monolith. The case has real airflow and avoids the usual pre-built traps like proprietary layouts. The Omen 25L plays nice with standard mounts, meaning you can upgrade things later without breaking out a soldering iron. It's also got toolless entry, so if you ever want to swap a drive or upgrade a fan, you're not elbow deep in YouTube tutorials. The only real catch? You've got to get the base model. Anything higher and you're creeping into mid-range pricing. But if you stick to that entry-level config, the HP Omen 25L is one of the most dependable 1080p rigs you can get without diving into the custom build rabbit hole. Now, if you just want to plug in a PC and start playing without dealing with BIOS updates or hours of setup, meet the CyberPowerPC GMA3100A. Pull it out of the box, connect a monitor, and you're off to the races. It comes preloaded with Windows 11, already has Wi-Fi, and includes both a keyboard and mouse. You don't need to assemble anything, you don't need extra parts, and you definitely don't need to Google what is BIOS safe mode. Now, performance-wise, this machine is built around the Ryzen 5 5500 CPU and Radeon RX 6400 GPU. That means it's strong enough to comfortably handle 1080p gaming, especially if you spend your time in games like Fortnite, Valorant, or GTA 5. It'll run those at high settings with frame rates that feel snappy and responsive. It can also handle newer stuff, just not with all the bells and whistles turned on. Lower your settings, and you'll still get a perfectly playable experience. The rest of the specs are what make this feel like a well-balanced machine instead of a slapped-together budget box. You get 16 gigabytes of RAM and a fast 500 gigabyte Gen 4 SSD that'll make load screens vanish before you even have time to grab yourself a drink. The case itself is all glass and RGB. It's got decent airflow and room to grow. Although, if you eventually upgrade the GPU, you'll likely need a beefier power supply too. Still, for now, it's clean, cool, and doesn't sound like it's about to take off. And you won't be short on ports either. There's a decent spread of USB, audio, and display connections across the front and back, plus built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This one's clearly aimed at people who don't want to tinker. If you're a first-time PC gamer or someone who just wants a straightforward, reliable system without the build-it-yourself pressure, the CyberPowerPC GMA3100A nails it. It's a practical, accessible way into the world of PC gaming, and it gets you there with zero friction. Plug it in, launch your games, and don't look back. Next up, the LXZ Gaming Desktop PC LXZI 5th Pro. If your goal is to hit 1080p on Ultra and not hear your PC struggle trying to load a menu, it's going to feel like a steal. The Intel i5-13400F paired with an RTX 4060 means smooth 1080p gaming across modern AAA titles and is also quick enough for shooters. The i5-13400F doesn't make a big splash on paper, But with 10 cores behind it, this chip handles multitasking with ease. Whether that's gaming, chatting on Discord, juggling browser tabs, or all three at once, it's more than capable for everyday play, and so much more. Same with the 32 gigabytes of RAM. It's not just generous. It's enough headroom for editing, compiling, or running virtual machines without slowing down. Now let's talk about that RTX 4060. It's not just good, it's smart. DLSS 3 gives you a serious frame rate bump in supported titles. Think fluid 100 plus FPS without cutting every setting to low. The 8GB VRAM keeps things cool under pressure, and while you're not pushing 4K here, you're going to get a consistent 1080p experience that doesn't feel like a compromise. And visually, this rig looks like a sci-fi cube dropped straight from a spaceship. With triple tempered glass and 5 RGB fans, it's stylish without veering into gimmick territory. It boots fast thanks to the 1TB NVMe SSD, runs quietly, and has enough ports to handle everything from triple monitor setups to 6 different USB accessories. Who's this for? If you're aiming for elite performance at 1080p without blowing 4 figures, it's hard to do better. The LXZ Gaming Desktop PC LXZi 5th Pro is ideal for budget-minded gamers who still want a rig that can run today's biggest titles maxed out. If you're curious about prices, definitely check out the description below. That's where you'll find links to all of the latest deals for each of these budget gaming PCs, including the 2 to come. And while you're down there, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us a lot. Okay, let's jump back in. For indie game lovers who don't need 4K flash, the Skytech Gaming Nebula is built for exactly that experience. It runs popular stylized games, pixel art, roguelikes, sandbox, from bottom to top without fuss. If you're spending your evenings on titles like Hades, Hollow Knight, or Valheim, this rig keeps your playtime uninterrupted. The GTX 1650 won't win headlines, but it wins where it matters. Consistent 1080p performance for indie titles. Inside the case, you'll find the Ryzen 5 3600, lightweight on frills, heavy on pure multitasking muscle. With its 6 cores and capable boost clock, it breezes through background apps while the game carries on. 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, upgraded with a heatsink, keeps things responsive whether you're casually gaming or deep diving into creative tools between levels. Fast storage via a 500 gigabyte NVMe SSD means fast boots, fast game loads, and enough space to get going before adding more storage later. Skytech's case design complements performance with understated flair. The black mesh fascia and 4 RGB fans aren't just for looks. They offer genuine airflow under load. Noise levels stay modest, thermal performance stays strong, and the windowed side panel feels tidy, not cluttered. It's minimal, well-cooled, and quiet. No distractions, just performance. Ports cover essentials without grabbing headlines. HDMI, DisplayPort, USB 2.0, 3.0, plus Wi-Fi and Bluetooth out of the box. The keyboard and mouse included are functional and let you start gaming on day one. Skytech handles support too, 1-year parts and labor, and lifetime tech support, a rarity in the budget space. If you want one of the most dependable boxes for 1080p indie and budget gaming, the Skytech Gaming Nebula is it. It's not designed for handing over medals in benchmark dumps, but it succeeds where it matters. It's stable, affordable, and unpretentious. Just the kind of system an indie fan or first-time PC builder can count on. Last but certainly not least is the MSI Codex R2. Now, this one may be the best budget gaming PC overall, basically because it's a clean, focused machine designed to handle modern games without cutting corners or stacking gimmicks. It's budget in name, but downright serious in performance. At the core of it, literally, is the Intel i5-14400F, which is way more capable than it has any right to be in this price range. Pair that with an RTX 4060, and you're basically covered for high frame rate 1080p, and even some solid 1440p performance, depending on the game. It boots up fast thanks to a 1TB NVMe SSD, and the 16 gigs of DDR5 memory give it just enough headroom to keep things feeling snappy when you're multitasking. The cooling is fine for now. It's got 4 fans and decent airflow, but if you ever upgrade the CPU, plan on replacing that stock cooler first. The good news? There's plenty of space inside the case, and it's easy to work with, even if you've never touched a screwdriver in your life. Bold without being overdone, the design feels like a proper gaming build without drowning in LEDs. You'll appreciate its style, and if you don't, you can tone down the RGB or get rid of it altogether with a press of a button or two. If you're after a gaming PC that balances price, performance, and upgradability without hitting you with a wall of compromises, the MSI Codex R2 is the sweet spot. It's ideal for casual modders or anyone who just wants a capable desktop without needing a second job to afford it. No tricks, no junk, just a solid rig that gets out of your way and lets you game. Okay, that about does it. Be sure to head down to the description to find the links to all of the latest deals on these budget gaming PCs. Also, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It just helps us do the hard work for you and bring you more great picks. Anyway, thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you in the next one.